English None, Grade 3, Phonics, still Unit 3. Vocabulary. Mathematics. Number 1, between, between, between. Number 2, collected, collected, collected. Number 3, count, count, count. Science. Number 1, metal, metal, metal. Number 2, plastic, plastic, plastic. Number 3, gas, gas, gas. Social studies. Number 1, unity, unity, unity. Number 2, citizen, citizen, citizen. And number 3, country, country, country. Health education. Number 1, upright, upright, upright. Number 2, posture, posture, posture. Number 3, practice, practice, practice. Go to English. Number 1, behind, behind, behind. Number 2, bone, bone, bone. And number 3, we have close, close, close. Now let's have a review about what we have discussed yesterday. Yesterday we have talked about these things. This is class, clock, flower, fly, sleep. And this is slow, the opposite of cheetah, which is so fast. And these are phonics. Phonics, CL, FL, and SL. These are what we have learned yesterday. Now today we will continue our topic about phonics at the same time. We will be talking about at the same time. So we will be reading a story. Still, we are in Unit 3, the last topic in Unit 3. A. Listen, point, and chant. Can you see the clock in the classroom? Yes. What color is it? Very good. It's color yellow. Golden yellow. Golden yellow. It's color golden yellow. Now, the teacher wrote something on the board. She wrote a question. Yes, you're correct. The question is, what time is it? What time is it? Now, we will go into chant. Watch the clock. The title is Watch the Clock. Okay, are you ready? Now, Teacher Rena will be reading first. And then after me reading, you will be the next one to read. Now let's go. Let's start. Watch the clock. Slow, not fast. Sit, don't slide. Watch the clock, not the fly. One more time. I will repeat it one more time. Watch the clock. Slow, not fast. Sit, don't slide. Watch the clock, not the fly. Again, one more time. Slow, not fast. Sit, don't slide. Watch the clock, not the fly. Last time. Slow, not fast. Sit, don't slide. Watch the clock, not the fly. Now it's your turn. Please read it for 2 times. Repeat it 2 times. Are you ready? Very good. Now it's your turn. Start now. Very good. Now let's proceed. B. Listen and read along. Can you see the clock? Yes. And we'll be talking about at the same time. At the same time. Now can you see the map of 3 countries? Yes, you can. So we have here the map of Slovakia. Slovakia. Second is Peru. Peru. And the third is Singapore. So they are the country that we will be going to compare the time. So they are the same time. They are the same time, but in their clock, they have different time. So let's see if how they are different in time, in terms of time. So let's get to know first Slovakia. Slovakia is 4 p.m. Remember that it's the same time. In Slovakia, it is 4 p.m. And when it's 4 p.m. in Slovakia, it's 9 p.m. in Peru. It's 9 p.m. in Peru. So while it's 4 p.m. in Slovakia and 9 a.m. in Peru, Singapore is 11 p.m. It's already night. 11 p.m. in Singapore. So 4 p.m. in Slovakia is afternoon, while in Peru, 9 a.m. morning, and in Singapore, it's already night. Wow, how amazing. They are the same time, but they don't have the same clock. It doesn't tick the same. C. Listen and read along. So we will be traveling first to Peru, and we will meet here Morta. Now let's read. Morta lives in Peru. At 9 a.m., she is in English class at school. Don't forget what time is in Peru. Now after Peru, we will be going to Slovakia. We will going to meet Joseph and Marie. Joseph and Marie live in Slovakia. It is 4 in the afternoon. They are flying kites at the park. Now let's go to Singapore. But shh, don't be noisy because it's already 11 p.m. in Singapore and Li Peng is already sleeping. Li Peng lives in Singapore. The clock by his bed reads 11 p.m. He is sleeping. D. Listen and circle. So you are going to choose between the 2 choices in every question. Number 1. What time is it in Peru? What time is it in Peru? A. 9 a.m. or B. 12:30 p.m. Now, before you encircle this and answer this question, let's read number 2 first. By now, you are now thinking about the answer, the possible answer of number 1. Now, let's read number 2. Are Joseph and Marie flying kites? Are Joseph and Marie flying kites? A. Yes, they are. Or B. No, they aren't. Think of the story. Number 3. What is Li Peng doing? What is Li Peng doing? A. Eating lunch. Or B. Sleeping. So you need to remember the time of the 3 countries that we have talked about. So the answer in number 1 is, what time is it in Peru? The answer is very good. You're correct. It's letter A. It's 9 a.m. in Peru. How about number 2? What is number 2? Very good. Yes, they are. Joseph and Marie are flying kites. How about number 3? Is Li Peng eating lunch or sleeping? Very good. Li Peng is sleeping. Activity. Please get your Let's Go book and answer the exercise on page 27. It is so easy and it is just short. So that's the end of our English 9 class. Please keep in mind what you have learned today. Stay safe with your family. This is Teacher Rena. Goodbye. See you again next time.